Minister, Honorable Industry Minister, Honorable Minister of IT, Honorable Minister of Transport, Honorable IT Secretary, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first take this opportunity to congratulate Manuji and his dynamic team for the stupendous success they've achieved in a very short period of time. We just saw in Manuji's presentation that Xiaomi has already become the #1 brand as far as smartphones are concerned. I was also very pleased to see that Xiaomi has become the #1 brand as far as smart TVs is concerned in a very short period of time. And I think it's a matter of time that Xiaomi emerges as the #1 consumer electronics and telecom company in India. So we at Dixon are highly privileged to partner with Xiaomi to make their LED televisions in India. Very quickly, I wanted to tell you about Dixon, share with you about our journey. So Dixon today is the largest electronic manufacturing services company, and we are in the field of consumer electronics, home appliances, lighting, mobile phones, and security systems. And we also offer end-to-end solutions right from design of the product to sourcing of the key raw materials, manufacturing, deep-end manufacturing with full backward integration, which includes plastic injection molding, sheet metal, wound components. Dixon is providing end-to-end solutions to our customers. We have 8 state-of-the-art manufacturing units spread across 3 states, and we employ more than 6,000 people across all locations. Talking about our journey in Andhra Pradesh, we started just about a year back, and in a very short period of time, we have employed more than 900 people, produced almost 900K sets, LED television sets. We are in the process of creating a capacity of almost 3.5 million LED televisions, which we believe is going to be the single largest facility in India. We are also in the process of setting up facility. We've already started, in fact, manufacturing CCTV cameras and DVRs, and we are in the process of expanding this capacity to almost 10 million cameras and 1 million DVRs. So, talking about our association with Xiaomi, we have created a capacity of starting with 1 million televisions per annum, as Manuji shared with you, and the plan is to ramp it up to almost 2.5 million LED televisions per annum. So we are extremely grateful for this opportunity, and we can assure Manuji and his team that we will put all our best efforts in maintaining the highest standards of quality, innovation, and cutting-edge technology which Xiaomi is synonymous for. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'll request our Honorable Chief Minister to please address us. Thank you.